Hello, this is Cody Hatfield at Cole Chevrolet, bringing you today's tip of the day. Having trouble remembering where you parked your car? Well, your cell phone can help. When you're out shopping and you park your car and turn it off, your Bluetooth on your phone will pin a location. That way you'll know where your car is parked. You can use this technology to help you find where your car is located. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Scroll to the bottom of the Location Services screen and select System Services, Significant Locations. Then turn on the switch for Significant Locations. Go to Settings, Maps, and turn on the switch for Show Parked Location. On your Android phone, after you've parked your car, open Google Maps, tap the blue pin that represents your current location and parking spot. Select the Save Your Parking option. Not a fan of having your location on? Well, use your cell phone to snap a couple pics of the places around you. Maybe grab some landmarks, maybe some specific markings. That way it can let you know and remember where you've parked. Thank you for watching Cole Chevy's Tip of the Day. Make sure you schedule your next service appointment at colechevy.com or give me a call, Cody Hatfield.